All right, guys, it's Sunday morning. Got two 15-minute motos today. Went out for a practice, and it was really the first practice I got to ride with the track in decent shape. Loved it. Finally got down the roller jump, the kind of wall into the rollers. Got that down. That was fun. Still didn't get down the triple in the middle, but what can you do? Two 15-minute motos today, so I'm getting ready to go up here in a second. And then I'll probably have to wait 3 or 4 hours and go up again. Last moto of the day. So it's gonna be beat, it's gonna be dusty. But I had some generator problems last night, man. That every time our air conditioner shuts off, our generator would idle down and it's running kind of rough, so it would shut off. Pain in the butt. Luckily we got just enough rain last night to keep it cool, so we're able to sleep. But I'm just getting to the point where I'm not trusting this Predator 3500 anymore, so I'm gonna look into that when I get home. But it's been a really fun trip, and yeah, I'm gonna go out and try to put in 2 clean rides and enjoy the last few hours of camping with the family, and then start the trek 7 hours north. Appreciate you guys hanging out with me.
You and me stuck on the ocean now, nothing but waves and they're spilling in. I wanna dry up, but you just keep on going, don't you? I don't even know how we got here. All my reasoning have disappeared. I wanna bury the hatchet and find the way back to our home, our home, our home. We don't have to drift inside this dome. I will not let us fade away. It's not a price I wanna pay, and it's not too late. No, we lost our purpose, chasing all that surplus. You were all that I need. I feel that we can break free. We can still go back there to a place with no cares. We can turn this ship around. We can turn this ship around all the way back home. Chasing all that we do not have, chasing all that we don't have, chasing all that we do not have, all the way back home. Chasing all that we do not have, chasing all that we don't have, chasing all that we do not have. Yesterday we could be ourselves, didn't have much but nevertheless we were true to each other. But now we don't even bother. I remember you being hopeful, but the tall waves have worn us down, and slowly we are drowning. That's why you need to come with me, with me, with me. Turn around 180 degrees and cross the sea. I will not let us fade away. It's not a price I wanna pay, and it's not too late. No, we lost our purpose, chasing all that surplus. You were all that I need. I feel that we can break free. We can still go back there to a place with no cares. We can turn this ship around. We can turn this ship around all the way back home. Chasing all that we do not have, chasing all that we don't have, chasing all that we do not have, all the way back home. Chasing all that we do not have, chasing all that we don't have, chasing all that we do not have. I always knew we could do so many great things, so believe in me, I believe in you, and I just feel that this will be an upswing, so hear me out. No, we lost our purpose, chasing all that surplus. You were all.
And I'm back, guys. Improved on that second moto a little bit. Got the wall into the rollers down, and finally hit that triple in the middle. So I was happy about that. Then I don't know if I was going faster or what, but the moto felt so much longer to me. But Moto 1, I got lapped with a couple laps left to go, and then in this Moto 2, I didn't get lapped till the very end, right before the checkered. So that was pretty cool. I know I've improved, but man, I do not know how I'm gonna survive this last Moto. I'm last one of the day. It's already dusty, it's already rough. It's 92 degrees. It's gonna be tough. But yeah, that second Moto, the start was super sketchy. I was all the way on the left, and I had an empty gate to my left. I thought, man, it's gonna be smooth. I'm just gonna file in, run my 15 minutes, and some Honda came out in front of me and wadded up all by itself, and I came this close. I mean, if I'd been 6 inches to the left, I'd just endoed over his front wheel. So you guys will see that. But it's been a fun weekend. It's been hot, but it's been a fun weekend. Besides the generator problems, I want to show you guys this. This is what I've been using for a light when I've had generator problems. Is it Flash Hoot sent this over. It's an RGB video light, so just press the dial here and hold it to turn it on. Thing is bright. Like normally I've been using these little lights in the camper, and I have to use like 6 or 8 of these, and this one does the whole entire camper. But the cool thing about it is you've got the dial so you can change the shades and literally make it any color of RGB you want. So there I can do that's lightning 2, cinema mode, police, ambulance. This is pretty cool, guys. It's a really nice light. It's USB-C chargeable, which is sweet, and it came with the tripod. It's got a tripod holder in the bottom, so these legs came with it and they screw off. Came with a couple other things, which I'm going to show over on another channel in a dedicated video, but fast RGB, watch it, let you know some of the colors it can change. Anyway, I'm going to put a link down below. This is the Flashoot FL-T6. So big thanks to these guys for sending this over. It came in super handy camping this weekend, and it's great for a 3-year-old to use as a mini lightsaber, but I don't recommend that because I'm pretty sure he's going to break it. Alright, cool down for a little bit longer, and yeah, go for Moto 3.
I wanna dry up, but you just keep on going, don't you? I don't even know how we got here. All my reasoning have disappeared. I wanna bury the hatchet and find the way back to our home, our home, our home. We don't have to drift inside this dome. I will not let us fade away. It's not a price I wanna pay, and it's not too late. No, we lost our purpose, chasing all that surplus. You were all that I need. I feel that we can break free. We can still go back there to a place with no cares. We can turn this ship around. We can turn this ship around all the way back home. All the way we could do so many great things. So believe in me, I believe in you, and I just feel that this will be an upswing. So hear me out. No, we lost our purpose, chasing all
All right, guys, well, that's a wrap for Lazy River Vet Regional. We had a great weekend. I didn't want to jinx myself before it was over, but no tip overs, no incidents, some close ones, as you probably saw in that start. But I love getting through a weekend smooth like that, even if it means I lose a couple positions or lap times are a bit slower. Just that clean weekend, it feels good. My lap times improved from 207, 208 on Friday, all the way down to 153, 154 today. So I was happy about that. I got all the jumps down. We had a great weekend camping. Did you have fun this weekend, buddy? You did? You want to come back to another vet regional? Yeah? You ready to go home though? Okay. Say thanks for watching, everybody. Say like and subscribe. Thank you. Alright guys, so I still don't know my final moto finish or what my overall was, but by the time I'm editing this I will know. So I'm gonna put that right here. Alright, fun weekend everybody. I really appreciate you watching these vlogs. I know they're not the most entertaining thing in the world, but they're fun for me to go back a few years down the road and look at them. I can't wait for Weston to watch them when he's older. So thanks a lot. We'll see you in the next video.